Teacher Terry, and welcome to today's IP English Time class. Okay, so in today's class, it's class number 4, and we're looking at Unit 9 still. What is the fastest in the world? First, let's look at our homework from last class. So, class book, page 69, part 4, and here are the answers. So, starting with number 2, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Number 3, cars are faster than bikes. Number 4, grapes are smaller than apples. Number 5, Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. And number 6, mice are slower than cheetahs. So let's hope we got all of those correct. Okay, so today let's look some more at the fastest and the slowest. So we have a car, a plane, a bicycle, and a train. Let's look at them all together. Now, cars are faster than bicycles. Trains are faster than cars. Planes are faster than trains. Planes are the fastest. And bicycles are the slowest. So let's put these all together. What is the fastest and what is the slowest? Let's find out. And we can see that planes are the fastest and bicycles are the slowest. Okay, now it's time for quiz time. And we're going to be looking at what is the slowest. Now today we have a koala from Australia, a garden snail, giant tortoise, and a starfish. Now, what is the slowest, do you think? A giant tortoise and a koala. So we have two together. Now, a tortoise is slower than a koala. So two things together, we can use slower than. A snail and a giant tortoise. What is the slowest? What do you think? The answer is a snail. A snail is slower than a tortoise. A koala and a starfish. What is the slowest, do you think? The answer is a starfish. A starfish is slower than a koala. And next we have a starfish and a snail. Now, what is the slowest? What do you think? Well, the answer is snail. A snail is slower than a starfish. So we have them all together now. What is the slowest? A koala, a snail, a tortoise, and a starfish? The answer is a snail. A snail is the slowest. Now, what about the fastest? What is the fastest? From a koala, a snail, a tortoise, and a starfish. What do you think? The answer is a koala. A koala is the fastest. The correct order of these is, and there we go. So the slowest is the snail. And you can see a starfish is slower than a snail. A tortoise is slower than a starfish. Okay, so now it's time for story time. So we need our class books on page 68. And what we'll do is we're going to listen and read together. And then I have some questions for you to answer. Okay, so pause the video and get your book ready. Okay, let's start.
Hello, I've got a quiz for you today. Great! What's the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest! That's right. What's the biggest ocean in the world? It's the Pacific Ocean. That's right. What's the fastest animal in the world? A mouse. No, a mouse isn't the fastest animal. The fastest animal in the world is a cheetah.
No, a mouse! Look! Ha ha ha! Now Amy is the fastest student in the class.
Yeah, what do you remember now? From the reading, what's the highest mountain in the world? Remember? The answer is Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Let's listen again.
What's the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest!
Okay, next question. What's the biggest ocean in the world? You remember? The Pacific Ocean is the biggest in the world. Okay, let's listen again.
What's the biggest ocean in the world?
It's the Pacific Ocean.
That's right.
Next question. What's the fastest animal in the world? Do you remember? Yes, that's right. It is the cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest in the world.
What's the fastest animal in the world?
A mouse!
No, a mouse isn't the fastest animal. The fastest animal in the world is a cheetah.
Okay, good. And the last question. Who's the fastest student in the class? Yes, that's right. It's Amy. Amy is the fastest student in the class.
No, a mouse! Look! Ha ha ha! Now Amy is the fastest student in the class.
Okay, good. Okay, now for today's activity, we have found some teachers and we have some questions. So now let's ask the teachers some questions. Hi Lisa, how are you?
Hello, how are you? I'm good.
Good. Lisa, do you like Blackpink?
Ooh, I love Blackpink. I even have the same name as Lisa.
Ah, very good. Now, who is the tallest in Blackpink?
Ooh, let me think. Is it Lisa?
No, it's not. Try again.
Oh, is it Rosie?
Yes, Rosie is the tallest in Blackpink.
Ah, okay. Let's see how tall she is. She is 168 centimeters.
Wow.
Rosie is the tallest.
Now, who is the shortest in Blackpink?
Is it Lisa?
No, it's not. Try again.
Okay, then maybe it is Jenny.
Yes, it is. Jenny is the shortest in Blackpink.
She is 163 centimeters.
Who is taller than Lisa in Blackpink?
Rosie is taller than Lisa.
Okay. And who is shorter than Lisa?
Jenny is shorter than Lisa.
Good. Okay, well, thank you very much. How are you today?
Hello, Teacher Terry. I'm very well, thank you.
Teacher Joe, do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
Okay, now, if you look at the sports there, what sport is the fastest?
Car racing is the fastest sport.
Okay, and what sport is the slowest?
I think golf is the slowest sport.
Good. What sport is faster than tennis?
Car racing is faster than tennis.
And what sport is slower than tennis?
Golf is slower than tennis.
Thank you, Teacher Joe.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so thank you, Teacher Joe and Teacher Lisa, for your answers. Now it's time for your homework for today. So get your notebooks, pens, or pencils ready. And today we're looking at the workbook, page 66, part 1. As you can see, we need to look at the table about the smallest, the shortest, and the slowest. Then for part 1, we need to circle the mistake in each sentence and then write the correct sentence. So number 1 is done already. So a train is faster than a plane. Now if I look, I can see slowest train, plane, fastest. Okay, so no, that's not correct. A train is slower than a plane. And then at number 2, a hen is taller than a horse. Let's look. Hen, short, horse, giraffe, tallest. Okay, so that's not correct. So you can write the correct answer for number 2. And then continue with number 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then also on the same page, look at part 2. Now this time we need to tick the correct answer. So number 1, which transport is faster, a plane or a car? And we can see faster is plane. Tick. And number 2, which country is smaller, the UK or Russia? Okay, so smallest, UK, Australia, Russia. Okay, so you can tick the correct answer. And we will check your homework in the next class. I'm Teacher Terry, and see you next time. Bye-bye.